Hello everyone. I welcome you to join this unique workshop, one of its kind workshop called Energy Miracles. During this journey, initially for 21 days, we all will grow together positively charged by doing simple, do it yourself exercises and actions. For today, I will teach you all a very basic and important exercise called Bless Your Money. So, whenever you receive any currency or money from anyone, please touch the currency. You will have different feelings for different currency notes. In some currency notes, you will like touching it. In some currency notes, you will not like touching it. Basically, the ones which you like are positively charged and the ones which you don't like are negatively charged. Now, how does a currency become positively charged or negatively charged? Now, people who have paid money out of happiness, out of gratitude, will definitely feel positively charged. And people who have paid out of poverty, out of compulsion, out of frustration, definitely those currency notes will become negatively charged. So now, when we receive the money, we should say thank you and show our gratitude to these currency notes. Now, when you receive the currency, this is the procedure you should follow. Put the currency on your left palm and cover it with your right palm. Now say to yourself or think and tell the currency that I am very thankful that you are in my hand. I am grateful and I love you a lot. I command you to go to the right place so that the poor can get money, the hungry can get food, and the naked can get clothes. I also command you to return to me millions of times more and higher and greater. Then you spend the money the way you have to spend it. It will reach its final destination where it will do good to the people. And it will also return back to you millions of times and millions of ways. So, this is the right way to handle currency. It will reach its final destination. Energy travels or moves from one place to another. So, let's spread positive energy with the currency notes. What you give to the world comes back manifold. If you pass on negativity, it will come back to you. If you pass on positivity, it will come back to you. If you pass on love, it will come back to you. If you pass on happiness, it will come back to you. And it will come back in million times higher. So have a good day, and I am looking forward that you all join this unique workshop and also help me grow as a human being along with all of you. Thank you.